Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Discord is not opening on your Windows. So several times you're trying to access into Discord and this is not opening, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to completely close Discord in the task manager or end the Discord process in task manager. So in the Windows search bar right here, type task manager. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize the task manager window. Then here you'll find all the processes in the list right here. And then we need to look for Discord running in the list of processes right here. So as you can see, we have Discord right here. Just make a right click and then select End Task. And after that, close the task manager window and then try to launch Discord application. So as you can see, this time it will start for you. So from here, you can just continue or enjoy Discord application. The next method is we need to clear the Discord's app data. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Or you can directly right click at the Start button and then select Run. Then you need to type here percentage app data percentage and then you have to click on OK. Then we need to look for the Discord folder right here, this one. Just make a right click and then select delete. Now we need to completely close Discord as we have opened it earlier. So click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar and then make a right click of Discord and then select quit. Then click on try again. Now once done, you need to open Discord if it will launch this time. Then we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is updated as outdated ones can also cause the issue. So make a right click at the start button. In the list of options, you have to click on device manager. Then here in the device manager window, we need to locate the display adapters. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. So from here, you just need to right click on it and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this and also close the remaining windows. Then also make sure that your Windows is updated. So just simply click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So currently, this is downloading and installing the updates on my Windows. In your case, that would be the same. So you just need to wait for this. And once this is done, you need to close this. Then for the next method is we can also temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then you can simply temporarily disable that. Just simply click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. And if you are using any of those, then that will appear from here. And you just need to simply quit all of those. And then click on the Windows security icon. And then you have to click on virus and threat protection. Then you will find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Then turn off the real-time protection. And once you turn off the real-time protection, close this and then launch Discord. So simply open it. So let's just wait for this to start. So now Discord is up. And from here, you can just simply sign in with your account. So let me just quickly sign in into it. And now it states that this doesn't match with the password, but in your case, you just need to simply continue logging it from here. Then enjoy the Discord application, okay? Then for the next method, once the Discord app has been opened, then you need to go back to the same Windows security, click on the show hidden icons, and simply click on it. Then turn on the virus and threat protection for the real-time protection. The next method is we can also run the application as an administrator. So locate the Discord icon on the desktop, make a right click, and then select Run as Administrator. And yes, you can see this will launch the application. So running the application as an administrator, this will most of the time open the application. So try on that too. Then close this. And we can also run some commands in the command prompt to reset the network settings. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type NTSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, NATSH space INT space IP space reset, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space / release, hit enter. ipconfig space / renew, hit enter. And for the last command, ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter. And type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And for the final method, if the issue keeps persisting, then we can reinstall the application. So we need to completely close Discord from here. Right click on that, select quit Discord, and then you have to type here in the Windows search bar app wiz.cpl. Control panel item, click on that. Then here, simply search for Discord. Click on it and then select uninstall. Okay, Discord has been uninstalled. Then we need to reinstall it again. So open any of your favorite browser. So I'm going to open my Edge browser. So in your case, you can also open any of your browser and type here Discord download. It's Discord download, hit enter. Now you will find the official website of Discord, which is the discord.com. Download Discord to talk, chat, and hang out. Click on it. And you will have this option, download for Windows. So this is for Windows 10, 11, or higher. And click on download for Windows. And the setup file will be downloaded right here. So once done, just simply double click on the setup file and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. And let's just wait for this to reinstall Discord into our Windows. So you just need to simply sign in with your email or phone number and then simply type your password and then just simply log in with your Discord account. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.